Welcome to this video on Python programming, where we'll cover print, escape sequences, and comments. Comments are lines in a coding file that the programmer doesn't want to execute. They are used to explain code or temporarily disable parts of it during testing. Single-line comments start with a hash symbol hash. Multi-line comments are noted with triple single quotes or triple double quotes. The shortcut key to comment or uncomment is Ctrl+/ for Windows and Command+/ for Mac. Escape sequence characters are string literals used to change line breaks, add tabs, and more. Key examples include N for a new line, T for a tab space, and to insert double quotes in a string. The print statement displays values in the console. You can print multiple values by separating them with a comma. You can also use the optional sep parameter to define a separator other than the default space. The end parameter specifies what to print at the end of the output, or how to append the next print statement. By default, it's a new line character N. Both the sep and end parameters are optional. Thank you for watching. You can contact H.B.INSTITUTE for more information on our accounting, computer training, and English proficiency classes.